Morning guys, it's Friday. I wanted to say I did a little bit more wiring this morning and separated some more things out into groups. The soldering issue is doing a lot better, coming along on that. And I wanted to show where I modified my ignition switch from the original switch housing, and I've got a GM column now with a key on the column, so I needed to figure out how to fill that hole where the old original Ford ignition switch was on the left. So here's what I come up with. I took the original bezel and drilled it out and modified the cigarette lighter, and took about an hour and a half of playing with it, but besides it saying start and all that on the bezel, besides that part, I mean, looks like it'll work. Got my headlight switch in, and I'm going to change that knob to match my black knobs. Drill it out, put a black knob on it so everything matches. Just tidied up a little bit more in there, even though it doesn't look like it. Tidied up a little bit more in there. Got my original pigtail and dimmer switch laying there, back mounted in the original spot. I just need to mount those flashers out of the way up high. And there's the new wiring harness wires. Gotta figure out which wires go to what. Don't have an ohm meter to check the switch, so I don't know what I'll do there. Yeah, I know, kind of funny, huh? Doing wiring and don't have an ohm meter. But anyway, that's it. There's some grounds right there that need to be tied together for the wiper switch and the headlight switch. I guess that's it. It's beautiful out. Happy to be alive, and I appreciate everyone's comments and help, and just being a good friend to me. And have a good one.